But when you're working on a film set, a lot of times you feed on to each other's energy, you, your co-stars, everyone. And if there's a sense of insecurity, because I know for a matter of fact, if you're a great performer, no matter what, there will be some sense of insecurity coming in from the other side. How did you tackle that?
It's not mine to tackle. It's as simple as that. You know, that's something you need to be very clear. Like other people's internal conflict. We ourselves have lots of internal conflict.
Yeah.
You know, it's not that I'm like absolutely sorted and perfect. You know, I have my own stuff to deal with. So another person's internal conflict is, it's too much for me to
Yeah.
handle. I observe it. I notice it. For me, you know, I'm like a I like to observe people and understand how people work.
Yeah.
And why people do something a certain way. Like that's something I do. Like I do like a PhD on people.
Yeah.
So I take it like that, and then I just keep doing my own thing. My only takeaway from all that is, let's move in the direction of good people.
Yeah.
Let's move in the direction of people who are clean inside, who want to collaborate, who
Correct.
want to do good work. That's where you want to go, right? So that's the only takeaway, that this is not the quality that I should have around me. I should have better people around me. So I think that was my only takeaway.
Being strong-headed even when it wasn't a thing, as you mentioned, since the beginning, did you lose out on opportunities because of that?
Maybe, I don't know if I did, but I'm sure, like I said, the false sort of negative like thing that goes around, like it does make an impact. People say apparently she's like this and she's
Yeah.
but anyone who works with me will always say the opposite,
Definitely.
because that's the truth. You'll see how I behave with anybody,
Yeah.
right? Like, so yes, it might have, but like I said, I took it like this, that if someone wants to believe gossip, then let them be out of my life, and that's fine with me.
When there is this extra additional thing given, like an award or an appreciation, people suddenly notice you even more.
Bring it on. If that's gonna happen,
Yeah.
I'm more than happy. You know, again, if that's a good thing, so if
Yeah.
it's resulting in a good thing, then
Correct.
why not?